are going to go through set mismatch. So in this problem, we receive as input an array of numbers, and then we are supposed to find out what is the duplicate number here and what is the missing number. What does that mean exactly? That means we receive a number that initially was supposed to be 1 to n, depending the size of the array. So if you have an array of 5 elements, it was supposed to be 1 to 5. If you have an array of 10 elements, it's supposed to 1 to 10. So now our goal is to find out what is the missing number in the range and what is the number that is duplicate, given that only one number has been duplicate. So one number has been duplicate. We need to find out who is that number, and it has been duplicate replacing which number. So how are we going to approach this solution? So for us to solve this, we're just going to keep it simple. We are going to look from the first element to the last element, and then for each of the elements we are going to count the number of occurrence, and after that we are going to loop again from 1 till n, and if a number appear 2 times, that means it's a duplicate. If a number appears 0 times, that means it is the missing. As simple as that. A visual representation of the thing can be as follows. So let's say I'm taking this, for instance. I have an array of 1, 2, 2, and 4. So let me count the number of occurrence and you'll see more of what I was saying previously. If I have this array and I count the number of occurrence, I will see that 1 appear 1, 2 appear 2 times, and 4 appear 1 time. And then now after this, when I will look from 1 till n, that means till 4, and searching for the occurrences of element in this map, I will see that 2 appear 2 times, that means it's a duplicate. I will see that 3 appears 0 times because there's no value attached to 3. So you will just have the default value, which is 0. So it's the missing. So this is basically how my approach will look like. So how will this one look in code? The code representation of this will be as follow. You are going to have like your map first, and then you are going to have your two variables, the duplicate and the missing. Now you loop through all of the elements, and then you update the occurrence of each of the elements that you are going to find, just +1 to increment it. And then after now you loop through from 1 till n, the size of the size you receive as input, which is here, the loop from 1 till n. And once looping, you just check if that value is, if the occurrence mp of e is the occurrence of e in mp, this is what implement the number of occurrences. And then I just check if the number of occurrences is actually equal to 2, then it is the duplicate. If the number of occurrences is actually equal to 0, then it's the missing, and you just return the missing and the duplicate. So yeah, this was my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to give me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. We can see that it's working perfectly. So see you on the next video. Ciao.